never expect a Toyota pickup to hide a custom luxury camper like this. From the outside, it looks rugged and adventure-ready. But step inside, and you'll discover a surprisingly spacious interior with a modern kitchen, elegant living space, and a full bathroom that feels more like a boutique hotel than an off-grid motorhome. But that's only the beginning. As we explore deeper, you'll see the custom design, feature that brings everything together and explains why this might be one of the smartest Toyota camper builds we've ever toured. And this is where everything changes. From the outside, it looks like a rugged expedition truck, but the moment you step inside, it completely rewrites your expectation. The rugged expedition truck you saw from the outside suddenly transforms into a bright, thoughtfully designed living space that feels more like a modern, tiny home than an off-road camper. And that's exactly what makes this build so fascinating. It doesn't ask you to choose between adventure and comfort. Before we explore the interior, take one more look at its proportions. Measuring an estimated 20 to 22 feet long, around 7 to 7.5 feet wide, and standing just under 11 feet tall, this camper hits a sweet spot that many larger motorhomes simply can't. It's compact enough to navigate narrow mountain roads, dense forest trails, and remote coastal routes, yet spacious enough to create a surprisingly open living environment. That's a combination every overland traveler looks for. Its expedition-ready appearance reinforces that purpose. The aggressive front fascia, integrated LED lighting, heavy-duty bumper, oversized all-terrain tires, roof access ladder, and practical side awning aren't just there to look impressive. They suggest this camper was built to keep exploring long after the pavement ends. With an estimated 12 to 14 inches of ground clearance, it appears ready to tackle rough tracks and uneven campsites with confidence. But the real surprise begins the moment your eyes adjust to the interior. Natural light pours through the panoramic windows, highlighting warm wood textures, clean cabinetry, and a layout that instantly feels welcoming. Instead of packing furniture into every corner, the designers focused on creating space where you can actually move comfortably. Thanks to the open floor plan and oversized windows, the cabin feels noticeably larger than its dimensions suggest. It's surprisingly easy to forget you're sitting inside a vehicle at all, a feeling that's incredibly rare in a camper of this size. The dinette perfectly demonstrates that philosophy. Positioned beside the large windows, it becomes far more than a place to eat. In the morning, it's where you can enjoy coffee while watching the sunrise over a quiet lake. During the day, it easily transforms into a comfortable workspace. And by evening, it's the perfect place to relax after a full day on the trail. Small design decisions like this are what turn a camper into a genuine home on wheels. Just across from the seating area sits one of the highlights of the entire build, the kitchen. At first glance, it looks clean and minimalist, but a closer look reveals just how intelligently every inch has been planned. The generous countertop gives you enough room to prepare real meals, while the modern sink, deep drawers, overhead cabinets, and organized storage make everyday cooking feel surprisingly effortless. Picture yourself preparing dinner here while the panoramic windows frame a mountain sunset outside. It's the kind of kitchen that encourages you to slow down and enjoy the journey as much as the destination. And impressive as the kitchen is, it still isn't the feature that makes this camper feel truly special. That title belongs to the dedicated sleeping area above the cab. Instead of converting the dinette into a bed every night, this custom build gives you a permanent bedroom that's always ready. Large enough for 2 adults, it's surrounded by windows that fill the space with natural light and fresh air. Imagine waking up here with snow-covered peaks outside one morning and a quiet beach the next. It's one of those spaces where you'll probably find yourself wanting to stay just a little longer before starting the day's adventure. But just when you think you've seen the smartest part of the layout, the bathroom quietly steals the spotlight. Honestly, this is the kind of bathroom you'd expect to find inside a much larger motorhome. That's what makes its design so impressive. This one features a dedicated shower, integrated toilet, modern vanity, mirror, and cleverly designed storage, all arranged to make the room feel far more spacious than its actual footprint. If no one told you this bathroom belonged inside a Toyota camper, you'd probably never guess. And clever design doesn't stop there. Overhead cabinets, deep drawers, hidden compartments, and well-planned storage areas are integrated throughout the cabin, giving you plenty of room for clothing, cookware, outdoor gear, and travel essentials without making the interior feel cluttered. Every compartment has a purpose, making long-term travel both practical and comfortable. Of course, a beautiful interior only tells half the story. The real test begins when the nearest campsite is is hours away. Judging by its design, this camper appears well prepared for extended off-grid adventures. There's space for a substantial lithium battery system, roof-mounted solar panels, a high-capacity inverter, fresh and gray water tanks, and efficient hot water and climate systems. Together, they allow you to spend days exploring remote destinations while still enjoying the comforts of home. That's the difference between simply visiting nature and truly living in it. Beneath all that comfort is a platform built for adventure. Although final specifications depend on the builder, this Toyota-based camper is likely powered by a modern turbo diesel engine producing an estimated 200 to 300 horsepower and 500 to 700 newton-meters of torque. More importantly, that torque provides the confidence to climb steep mountain passes, tackle rough trails, and carry a fully equipped camper without feeling overworked. With an estimated gross vehicle weight of 4.5 to 5.5 tons, it's engineered to balance durability with impressive maneuverability. Now comes the question everyone has been waiting for. But before revealing the price, think about everything packed into this camper. A comfortable living area, a real kitchen, a permanent bedroom, a full bathroom, serious off-grid capability, and the legendary reliability of a Toyota platform. When you look at it that way, the final number becomes much easier to understand. A custom expedition build like this would likely start at around $120,000 USD, while fully equipped versions with upgraded suspension, larger battery capacity, premium interior materials, and additional expedition equipment could realistically range between $180,000 and well over $200,000 USD. It's certainly a significant investment, but you're not simply buying a camper. You're investing in a vehicle capable of taking you far beyond the ordinary, while surrounding you with the comfort of a thoughtfully designed home. When this tour began, it looked like a rugged Toyota built to conquer difficult terrain. But by now, you've probably realized it's so much more than that. It's a thoughtfully designed home on wheels that just happens to take you almost anywhere in the world. That's what makes this custom 2026 Toyota camper truly unforgettable. So now it's your turn. Where would your first adventure take you? The mountains, the desert, or an unforgettable journey across an entire continent? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more extraordinary campers and luxury motorhomes from around the world.